Hello, welcome to WPM Home. Today, let us show you how to set up WPM Home E27 Smart Light Bulb. First, download Tuya app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open Tuya app, select Add button on the top right and select Add Device. At the lighting panel, select Wi-Fi light source. Now switch on the power for the light bulb and it will start to blink. Go back to Tuya app, connect to your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Remember to connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi instead of 5G Wi-Fi. Select confirm the indicator is blinking, then choose blinking or reading rapidly. Once it's connected, select done and rename based on the location. Now, we will show you what can be done using the app. Number 1. Switch on and off remotely. Number 2. You are able to set countdown timer based on your preferred timing. Number 3. Adjust the color temperature from warm light to cool light, as well as the brightness. Number 4. Set up the scene based on your preference. For example, I would like to have a warm feeling when I'm doing my meditation. Then there's option for me to adjust. Number 5. Schedule to switch on and off the light like an alarm. Lastly, don't forget to follow WPM Home, Facebook and YouTube for more tutorial videos. See ya!